Okay, let's see if this is actually recording the sound this time. Um, my little volume button has a red line through it, but I have tested several times, so hopefully you can hear me. um, my name is Miranda. Hi. I'll be really honest, I just had a really big, ugly, good cry because technology and me have just never really gotten along. I love it one moment but then mostly I hate it because I don't know, I'm 42 and I missed the time in school where we learned how to do these things, and you'd think after COVID I would know how to do everything online, because that is when I finished my diploma in addiction counseling. So segue into my education part. I have a little list here of like what we were all supposed to say. So my name is Miranda. I am a single mother of 3 beautiful daughters. I went to school later in life. I think I was 2016, went through a divorce. My life collapsed into like 1,000 pieces, and I'd always kind of been a social worker, counselor type person. And then I went to school for it, and now I get paid to do it, which is amazing. I was working at the treatment center and in the emergency department at both hospitals in Regina. Moved here a year and a half ago from Medicine Hat, which is where I consider home, although I was born in Saskatchewan. Medicine Hat is my home. Medicine Hat College is where I finished my diploma. And through COVID, which was a nightmare, homeschooling my kids and doing online and all that fun stuff. My long-term goal is one day to open a private practice and have everything old school, like in files and just like no computer work whatsoever. That's not going to happen, but I wish I could do that. What I am looking forward to in this class, I had Jeff last semester and just a big fan of the way he sets up the course. It was easy for me. I was able to navigate everything other than like screen recording and stuff, and very enthusiastic and teacher, and mostly I'm looking forward to the literature that we will be introduced to. I didn't pay attention in school when I was younger. Had a lot of other stuff going on, just surviving. And so right now I love to learn, and especially reading indigenous authors. When I first read The Inconvenient Indian in one of my in one of my classes, I just was like, I just wanted to read every book there was known or not known actually on Canadian history. And anyway, I say I'm already at 3:20. So my first video was like way more articulated, but now I'm just winging it, so bear with me. What am I not looking forward to? Quizzes. I have test anxiety, even though they're like so short and not hard, and I actually read the material. As soon as I know I'm taking a test, it's like my brain just goes whoa. And so yeah, just any kind of tests, but I passed the last one, so I'm sure it will be okay. Globalization. I know like this much about globalization, so I'm looking forward to learning more about it. I do know like bits and pieces, like the internet. That's part of globalization. I know that this is what I think of when I think of like what globalization has done. There's like the negatives and the positives. The negatives are, I think about my sweet little grandma watching the news and seeing what's going on all over the world right before bedtime, and then she just like is a basket case because she can see everything that is going on all over the world, compared to her childhood where like she didn't know what was going on down the street until she got together with everyone at the coffee shop and they started talking. So there's that. and then also like local businesses and stuff, right? It's like we can get stuff from China way cheaper. Why are we going to support a local business that is charging double? So that kind of stuff. Yeah, I don't know. That's in a nutshell. I do look forward to learning a lot more, and I liked reading through or listening to everybody's introductions, and I think I missed a few that I will catch up on tonight when my kids are down. And gosh, I hope this recorded the sound. Otherwise, I have to do this again. And anyway, welcome to you all. And I think I said my name was Miranda. My name is Miranda. See you in the discussion forums.